Hi guys, Sandra here of Fun Playtime Reviews. I'm joined by Elizabeth, and today we're going to be sharing a hot holiday toys video. So let's go ahead and get started.
Now let's open all the toys.
First up is this Disney emoji pillow pet. Isn't it cute? It's Minnie Mouse. Go ahead and take the tag off, Elizabeth.
Okay, here's my pillow pet. My favorite part about this Minnie emoji pillow is you can sleep with it, and also you can also attach it to the other side of the Velcro.
Yeah.
And then we'll wrap it like that. Little red thing down. Okay, like that. If you're like done it, you can just put it like this.
And let's see the front.
It looks so cute.
It does. This pillow pad is high quality and super soft, and it's the perfect snuggle pal. Right, Elizabeth?
Yeah. Next we're going to open the Zuru hamster. And let's go ahead and open it. And now let's take the little hamster out. Yay! The little cute hamster is very furry. I like its little tail too, and it also moves. Has this under it so it can move.
Has a switch under it, right?
Yeah. And I don't know how the battery can fit in there.
The battery is so tiny, isn't it?
That's not like so tiny. This is how it works. It's like a bee in your hand. It moves. It keeps going around in circles. That's how the hamster works, and now let's open the whole house. And now we're going to open the big hamster house. Here's the whole hamster house. Now let's go ahead and play with it. First we need to get the little hamster out. It has the same mounted on switch too. You also have some lovely pictures to put in the picture frame. And I think I'm gonna pick this picture to put on the picture frames. There's a little picture frame there. It looks super adorable.
Hamsters in a house is the ultimate hamster house. The little hamsters can scoot inside and zoom down the slide. They can even go to bed and take a nap.
Oh, that's cool.
What's that? What was it?
A little thing to hang up. Oh, these are the lights. Where you gonna hang up that?
Oh, I think that's a chandelier.
Yeah, where you going? That's gonna hang up right here, I think. Okay, we'll find that out later.
There's the hamster wheel.
Like crank it like that so it moves. This is the Zuru hamsters in a house, and this is everything it comes with. And now we're going to put one of the hamsters in the spinner wheel. We're going to get that hamster in.
With the Zuru hamsters in a house, you can watch your hamster zoom in its wheel. You can listen as your hamster falls asleep in bed. And your hamster can even use the elevator. What a fun toy, right, Elizabeth?
Yeah. I like spinning this most. Ooh, it's moving it by itself. Okay, here's the next one. We can take it off. Now I put the slide together, and now I'm going to see what happens if I don't turn the hamster on. Oh, it's going to be easier if I turn the hamster on. It goes into the kitchen. And now it's onto the elevator. And now it goes to... Whoa, that's really cool. And then it goes back down the slide.
That is so neat.
Or this or this? Which one? This one? This
Why don't you put one in the hamster wheel and one going down the slide?
That's gonna be really weird. And hamsters. He goes to the kitchen. You put it off the elevator. And next, it goes again. And then they're gonna,
That's adorable.
after they eat, they go into the freezer. See on top of the refrigerator, they need some cookies. Okay. Yum. And this one's going to go to bed now. So it has a little on and off button. And that's a really big on and off button.
Yeah.
And now let's see it happens to everything. The hamster house. We didn't even open everything, but now Zuru tingles. This one's purple, and this one's a lot of bunch of colors. And let's open the purple one first. And the purple one. Here it is. They're really cool. I like it. You can also take it apart. You can. Oop. You can just take it apart. You can take it apart and do stuff with it.
Yeah, it comes in a bunch of different colors, and it's a lot of fun to twist and play with, right?
Yeah. Next, we're gonna open this other Zuru Tingle. And you take the next one out. Ooh, it just popped out just like the other one. This has a lot of different colors on it. It's also plastic. Oh.
That's so neat. You can connect different tangles together, right?
Yeah. So here you made it to a necklace.
Ooh, you look beautiful.
And also you can use it as one thing. Stamp it down. Then you can twist it all like this. It's really cool.
Yeah, you can tangle it up, right?
You can even make it into a belt with purple and all these different colors.
What'd you make?
Little ring.
Yeah, you can make a little ring. You could even make a bracelet, right?
Yeah, like this. Like that.
That's so pretty.
There you go. And the extra ones you can do something with these.
So what do you think of the tangles, Elizabeth?
Oh, really fun. You can be really creative with the tangles, and me too. You can pretend they're anything. You can make bracelets. If you have enough, you can make a belt and then little sleeves and then like tangle them around. And you can also, and it also helps you to move your hand. And look, it tangles. You think it's gonna take so long? Woo! Now we're gonna open the pink fidget cube, and it's really exciting and cool. So I'm gonna take it off. And then I'm gonna pull it. Aww. It's exciting to open. See it? Woohoo! It's out. Fidget cube. What does this do? It's like a dice, but things can actually click. As like a light switch. Some twirling little things, a twirling ball. Also, I don't know if it snaps. Oh.
Well, you can glide, flip, roll, and click this fidget cube.
Or on this silver, but on the wheel. Turn it on so it moves. And then you can click like this. And these click too. And that doesn't click, it just moves like this. Turn it back and forth like that. And then you can see the spin side. If you spin that, it's kind of hard. And then you have the wheel side. You like do this. And that's all the sides. Push it down like that. You want to have that in the middle, so you can keep your lever in the middle, not like up sideways or anything. It's gonna hold the lever so it doesn't move, and like anywhere else after you put it in the middle. And you're gonna snap it on. Does it fall? No, it doesn't. Last thing we're gonna open the Mega Toy Block Tape.
That's right, we're gonna open up the Mega Toy Block Tape. Go ahead and open those, Elizabeth.
It says you need scissors.
Scissors, uh-oh.
But you don't, because look at this. I was playing with it and I got so excited. Look it.
Okay, yeah, okay.
You need scissors. This thing is long. You can use it with Legos. Whoa. Whoopee. You really wanted to snake. But it's time to get it out. Because with another instructions, you can figure out that, Mom. We can shape, stick, and build with the black tape. And you can even do lots of things. Let me show you how it works.
No, it's not going to be stuck on there forever. You can remove and reuse this toy block tape. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, but it's going to be unsticky. It's going to be unsticky.
No, you can reuse it. We can cover it back up and then we can use it again. You can stick it again. Yeah.
Because that's going to make it brand new again.
That's going to make it reusable so we can use it again.
We want to make it exactly the same size. Let's see. Is it the same size? It's the same size.
Good. Go ahead and stick that down now.
Let's see. You want to make it close.
And now you can stick this toy block tape to tables and even walls. Isn't that cool, Elizabeth?
Yeah.
Yeah. Today we're going to stick it to the table here. And we're going to play with it with some
minifigures!
Yay!
So can I have the minifigure drop? Because I want to pick out what minifigures would be right here.
Yeah. So Elizabeth has a minifigure. And this is a Lego minifigure because this block tape is compatible with Lego and all major brick brands.
They're waiting in line to get waffles, Mom.
They're waiting in line to get waffles?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to add this one. Yeah, really cool. The hands came off.
So Elizabeth, what do you think about the Mega Toy Block Tape?
It's really cool and I like it.
That's good.
Well guys, thanks for watching this holiday toy video. I hope you like all the toys we got and see you guys next time. Bye!